Hello, in the previous video we saw how break and continue statement works. In this video I'll be showing you how the switch statement works. Now what is switch statement, how it works, why it is used, that I'll be telling. When there are multiple choices to do, we are telling the compiler to make decisions using switch statements. It is quite similar to if, but the way we write is quite different. So I'll write a program on it. You'll understand it clearly. I'll write initialize a variable int I, um, and clear screen function. Now here I write a keyword switch, and I'll place a variable I, because using that variable I, the compiler is going to take decision. So I'll give the value of I equals to 1. Now how we should write the statement inside the switches: open the bracket and close the bracket over here, and inside those flower brackets we should always write, because always these flower bracket shows us the scope of that switch statement. So I'll write it. How we should write is, we should write case space 1. That is, if we are in the case 1, colon, not semicolon, colon, colon, printf, we are in case 1. And always after any case we should give break statement, break. I'll show you why it is necessary, but always remember, when the case condition is complete, we should give a break statement in the switch statement. Case 2, printf, we are in case 2. Case 3, colon, printf, we are in case 3. Now what the compiler should do if all these condition fails is, then we should write default printf, this is default case, break. Now how this works is, the compiler will check the condition of I, the value of I. If the value of I, we are telling the compiler to do this, that means it will print this condition. If the value of I is 2, it will print this condition. So this is how this statement works. I'll run the program. We are in case 1, so that's it. Instead of I will write 2 over here. I'll run it. We are in case 2. So how it works is, the compiler will check the value of I. If the value of I is 1, so it will come to case 1. It will print this, printf, we are in case 1. If the value of I is 2, so the compiler will print the case, we are in case 2. If the value is 3, it will print. Instead of 3, if I give something like 7 or 8, what it will show is, this is default case, because we have not written any case 8 or 9, something like that. So that's how it works. Now suppose if I miss out to write break statement over here, what happens? So I'll run it. We are in case 3, it will print even case 3, and it will print this also. Suppose I'll give it 2, it will print this case 2 and 3. Whatever comes from case 2, it will print all these three. So we don't want these both statement to be printed, so always we should give break so that we come out of that switch statement. So this is how we write. I'll write in the next video I'll write one more program on switch statement so that you can understand completely. We'll check this program once again. uh, the value of I is to switch I. How we should write variable over here inside the bracket using keyword switch. Open the round bracket I. The variable through which we are going to decide, that should be given over here. And keyword case space, always remember space. If I remove space it will be in green text, so it should not be in green text. Case space 1 colon printf and whatever you want to write. And after that case gets completed, always remember to write break. And never there will be semicolon for switch statement. For printf it will be, for break it will be, for break also you all know the semicolon is necessary. And whenever all these statements are completed, close it with the flower bracket so that the scope will end. If I remove flower bracket, I'll compile it. It will show error, unable to reach the code, so I should give flower bracket over here. So that's all in this video. In the next video I'll make I write a program on switch statement itself. I'll accept the input from the keyboard. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.